The best steak sandwich you will ever taste. This recipe is going to be a panuzzo, which is like a ciabatta, and it's a really good way to use up any leftover pizza dough. We'll get a semolina and take it out just the same as you would a pizza. We're going to shape it into more of an oval and then just gently flatten it with the hands. We don't want to go too big with it. Take the pizza cutter, about 1 centimetre in from each edge. Just neaten the edges up, and then it's ready for the oven. And when we put it in the oven, we're just going to put it right at the front, and then we're just going to turn the flame right down so it slowly cooks. So we're just going to take it out, give it a quick spin. So that's the finished product. When it's all puffed up, it's got colour all around it. Today we're going to go with sun-dried tomato pesto, blue cheese, and we're going to cook a steak in the woody oven. We're going to put that back in the oven so it nicely melts. Let's move on to cooking the steak. We need to get our cast iron pan hot. So if we put it in dry into the oven like that. So for the steak, what we've done is we actually used a sous vide to cook the steak to the perfect temperature, and then it holds at that temperature, so it will never overcook. And I've got this piece of meat here that's already been done. So we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and then just go in with our steak. Go back into the front of the oven. Just leave it just in the front. So you wanna get some color on all sides. This is sirloin that we've used today. So we've gone for 55 degrees. It's gonna give us a nice medium rare to medium steak. If you're cooking it rare, probably go a bit lower, go about 52 degrees, and well done, you're looking at over 65 degrees, but you don't want it well done. Right, so we're gonna chuck some butter in with it. Now it's got all the sides covered. We're just gonna baste the steak in the butter, and we're gonna leave it to rest on the board for at least 5 minutes. It's really crucial that you rest the steak twice as long as you cooked it for, letting it relax, and all the juices will then stay in once you've let it rest for long enough. We want some pretty thin slices. We're gonna get some red onions, a little bit of lemon juice, some rocket on the bottom, pickled lemon onions, the main event. And then we're gonna finish it off with a good helping of pecorino. There you go. The best steak sandwich you will ever taste.